Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to download Wix website files. This is particularly useful if you need to keep a local backup of your site or want to have an offline version for reference. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, navigate to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in and viewing your Wix dashboard, direct your attention to the left navigation menu. Here, you'll find an option labeled Site and Mobile App. Click on it and a drop-down selection will appear. From this menu, select Website. This brings you to your website management area where you can access all your site settings. Now you're viewing your website settings page. Take a moment here to preview the website details and make absolutely sure this is the correct website you want to download. It's important to verify this now before proceeding further, especially if you manage multiple sites under one account. From this page, locate the Design Site button, which you'll typically find at the top part of your screen, usually positioned beside a pen icon. This button is your gateway to editing and managing your site's design elements. Go ahead and click on it. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens in terms of customizing your site. However, for our download purposes, we need to switch to preview mode. Look for the preview button and click on it. This step is crucial because the editor has a different right-click function that won't allow us to save pages directly. By switching to preview mode, we can access the standard browser save options. Once you're on the website preview screen, navigate to the specific page you wish to download. When you've found it, right-click anywhere on the page. From the options that appear, select Save As. Before you complete the save process, this next part is important. Make sure to select Web Page, HTML only from the Save As type drop-down menu. This ensures you're downloading the HTML file without all the associated resources, which makes for a cleaner, more manageable file. Once you've confirmed the file type, click Save, and that's it. You've successfully downloaded your Wix website files as HTML documents. This gives you a local copy that you can reference anytime, even without an internet connection. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.